So today we're going to be co-creating with customers from across the retail industry, looking at a problem that most people are trying to address in their business, which is how do they get the best out of their people? And to do that, we're going to be taking inspirations from some subject matter experts in the industry, so from Jat Sahi, from Richard, and from Jason Stamper from PAC. And we're going to be asking everyone in the process to come up with some ideas to really stimulate some new thinking about how we address this really important challenge.
Growing great people is absolutely necessary for retailers. It's people and their ideas, their passion and their willingness to execute that is really going to transform your business. Just imagine 3 million people being greater at work every single day. Just imagine the lives they affect, the country they affect. So it's not just about us and what we want to do as a business, but it's actually about the change we can make in society.
So I think it's been a really interesting day, and I learned a lot as well. And the survey that PAC Consulting conducted showed that while there's many opportunities from technology to transform retail, there are also a number of hurdles to overcome, and that was certainly borne out today by the people that I spoke to.
I think the way people are thinking differently, that's the biggest takeaway I had this evening. That we always talk about technology. It's always very easy to get stuck in that kind of pothole where we want to talk about tech, we're technology vendors. So the workshops and the way we were discussing it around the tables, it was really, we started to think more about how do you place a human being at the centre of innovation. And I think that's what's different about this event to many others that I go to, is I kind of really felt that human story was the start point. It was great.
It was fantastic. I think it was a real success all round, and I'm looking forward to seeing what comes out of the event.
Very insightful.
We got back to basics. We spoke about people.
Quirky. I would absolutely recommend it. It's worthwhile, yes. Different.
So thank you for attending this evening's event. It's been fantastic to see the amazing concepts you've come up with that address how we grow great people in retail.